Alright, you guys. I'm so excited.
What is it?
So, I was seeing these videos on YouTube, and it really made a lot of sense, especially with Lush. Some of Lush's skincare products, they need to be refrigerated. So,
Oh, no. Don't tell them what it is. Just take it out of the box and show them. Let them figure it out.
I kind of did a thing.
Oh, you definitely did a thing.
I just want to start by saying this is not necessary. This is just super cute. You know, it's not necessary. You don't have to run out and do this, but I thought it was so stinking cute. I couldn't help myself.
You could have.
No, I couldn't. Oh my god, I'm so excited!
God, it's smaller than I thought it was.
Look what I got! It's a mini fridge! It's a miniature skincare fridge.
Well, it's actually a drink fridge, but you know, you're gonna
Well,
use it.
they say that it can hold up to 6 soda pop cans. But a lot of women use it for their skincare.
I know, I was just telling them what the box said. Don't do that.
Okay, what are you doing? You telling me what to do again?
No,
Okay, so now Jeremy did say not to plug it in just yet. Because of the stuff that's in there, the juices, whatever, antifreeze, whatever it is, I don't know. He said just to set it up where I want it, how I want it, and wait a couple of hours and then plug it in. So that's what we're gonna do. I may need you to bring them over here though, because she's gonna go right here. Oh my god, she's so stinking cute. So how do I... Oh, I see. So just like that. Oh my god, look how cute she is. Here's all the different cords. Where are you at? Okay. Here's all the different cords. It's literally just a little mini fridge.
and then you can take this out if you want.
You can take that out if you want, and I probably will.
I wouldn't, because then the samples you could put.
Well, yeah, I don't know. I have to play with it. So this is also made to be, you can take it on the road with you. It has like an extension for
Adapter.
Whatever, for the car. And then this one actually goes in here. So, but Jeremy did ask that I not plug it in yet. But look how cute that is, you guys. Here.
It's a tiny window.
It has a little tiny window and a little handle.
That's cool. It's so tiny.
How cute is she? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get her going and get the skincare in there. So now I gotta figure out, because I think I want it to go on this side. That way when I open it, the door doesn't, yeah. Oops. I just have to make sure to shut it all the way. And then I'm going to put this there. Oh. So yeah, there she is. That's what I did. Yeah. So that's Frigidaire. It's a little retro, 50s retro kind of thing. So, yeah, I'll put the link on Facebook if you guys follow me on Facebook and you want it. I just got it off of Amazon. So I'll take pictures later. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter if you want. I have Snapchat, all of those. And you'll see some more pictures. We'll get it all set up and going. And yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, this was just a short video. I will see y'all later. Bye.